Well, here's a picture of the router with the, I moved the plate up 3 inches. It was down here, just moved it up 3 inches, and as a result of that, with the long reach bit in here, it has enough clearance to where the stock height doesn't run into this part of the router right here, this base here. So basically I got about a good 3.5 inches there, 4 inches that I can play with without doing any modifications to that. That worked well. Got some anomalies in the file, the cut file. I'm not sure what's going on with that. Started cutting, and over in the hole section there's some funky things in the mesh or something. You can see here the tool took a dive right into the tailstock, right into the end here. Like I said, I didn't have a real, didn't take a real hard look at the Toolpath before I ran it into foam. Just kind of wanted to, mostly was checking out the, the density, for the surface finish. You can see here, try and get down here. I was doing like a 1/100 of an inch, step over or whatever in the depth, trying to get a nice, relatively smooth finish, which is okay. And then you can see right here where I glued the foam together, I forgot to peel the little, the stupid plastic that's in between it, so that kind of goobered it up. So anyway, next time I do that, I'll remember to peel both of those off. But then towards the end of the thing, it only had like a 1/4 inch to go. You can see the tool just started at the beginning and just drove right, just hogged right through the foam. Like I said, there's a couple stray things in the Toolpath that need to get fixed. Obviously, that would have been catastrophic if I'd running it on a piece of wood or something. Probably would have mangled the router all to heck. But anyway, I think I got the parameters down for what kind of smoothness I want. Like I say, about 1/100 of an inch step over. Actually, I think I was running a 5/1000, but should be doable here. And once I get something a little more substantial in here, besides this foam, which is really flexible, and so it was moving around on me. Actually, I think working with some like soft pine might be a good option to mill this thing out with. Run it through the bandsaw and trim off the excess initially, and then just run it on run the surfacing from there. Anyway, it was mostly it was interested in testing out the height of the bit, making sure that was working okay, and getting some of the other parameters. I think it took about 2 or 3 hours, I think, altogether to to mill out a shape like this. Like I say, that's that's another experimentation, trying to find the good balance of speed and accuracy that you want. I think I could speed up the Toolpath. I think I was running at 140 inches per minute, and I think I could easily run double that, since it's not removing hardly any material at all. So it's just a matter of just a few thousandths. So I shouldn't be able to have a problem with that. Anyway, I was glad I was able to at least get this much done today, just before I have to go head to Phoenix tonight. So anyway, I'll get this thing off to the mail, and hopefully I'll take a look at the mesh in Rhino and see what exactly is going on with some of these little anomalies in the file.